I hope to bring a little bit of energy here. That's literally what we do at Emost. We bring energy to any solution, anywhere, with mobile battery energy storage systems. So I'm Donald from Emost. Our number one enemy is diesel generators. So we want to kill all diesel generators as quickly as possible because they account for about 1% of all global emissions. And off-grid power is still a major topic, so temporary solutions are necessary, and someone needs to replace these 27 million installed units that exist on the planet that are producing so much carbon. So leading the energy transition is hard. We're not doing it. Actually, bottom right here, Marco, our friend at Ernie Construction, he's the one that's doing it. He's not the CEO, he's not the innovation officer, he's a crane operator. His job every day is to make sure the crane goes up and down, and that ultimately he comes home safely to his wife and kids, gets his job done, and doesn't lose his job. So when you bring a new solution to Marco, it needs to work, and it needs to work immediately and very simply, because energy is always something that's been perceived to just work in the background and not be something difficult, complex. You don't need to be an engineer to operate our devices. So off-grid electricity transport, boosting weak grid situations where the devices can become power stations, microgrids. These are all important applications, and we have over 100 units in the market. These are, expensive pieces of capital equipment, $250K for the bigger 150 kVA unit, 50, 60K for our smaller unit. So it requires some investment on the customer side, but it ultimately leads to results across the industry. You've probably seen that most heavy industry companies, the big OEMs, have all announced their electrification initiatives, their different devices that are powered by batteries. We were at Bauma, the big event, construction event in Munich, together with Ammann, a Swiss company, where we were powering their electric pavers. These electric pavers that pave new roads, they travel at the high speed of 3 kilometers per hour. So we ultimately need to bring the power to them, not vice versa. So powering that electrification transition is key to our success. And we can show a very favorable return on investment for those clients willing to do it. Now a little bit of fun. Events, film industry are also a big category for temporary power. We've been featured on a number of film sets, so very fun to be a CEO of an energy company that goes and helps to support a Netflix segment or to power a film or a series like Tatort here in the German market. And in the film industry, lighting and consistent voltage and very high quality power is important. Also, clean and noise-free. Quiet power, very important on a film set. So we let the stars shine, and we just sit in the background and deliver clean and quiet power. This key to our success is Electrify OS. This is our intelligence system that sits at the core. We actually license that to other OEM providers of electric battery solutions, but we also, under our own brand, deliver a whole suite of apps that allow you to control and monitor the device. We also then, together with AI, help to design and install these on a service basis, so delivering a full microgrid for our clients that ultimately gives them a solution, not just a product. We're ready for the next wave, which is the humanoid robot revolution. Ultimately, if these guys go out and work in the field, they're going to need power as their oxygen to repower them. We're already in talks with some of the early innovators in this space, and we'd like to be their power solution. We're an early stage growth company. We fortunately just closed a small seed round that gives us some capital to take the next steps for the next year or so. But we're always looking to raise. This is a spin out of a large Swiss energy company, but with a clean cap table and a great founder group. So would love to talk to you guys. Thanks. Bye.